Fourth. So the fourth one, industry-specific apps and service. Now we see the business and industries which are using IT newly, they spend a lot of money for their business to create apps as they want it. But as per the cloud service, some cloud providers are designing the softwares specifically for the industries. So this is why the industry-specific apps and services are good for the cloud, and cloud is good for the business. The fifth one. Fifth one is file sharing, made safe and simple. We share our file through many things, email, Gmail, many things. But about 60% people of the sharing persons agree that cloud is the safest way to share the file. So cloud is good for the sharing. Next one is portable technology. As we see, the business switches, but when they store their data, but they could not switch their data storage so easily. But cloud is different in terms of this condition, because cloud business can be switched, as you can see in the slide. It can be easily switched from anywhere. Next up, the seventh one. Stand on others' shoulders. As we are doing the business of cloud, we are imagining. So we have the information of other businesses. We can stand on their shoulders. If any business uses specific, what can I say, specific terms and their conditions and regulations, those can be good for our business too. So we can use them. So as a way, we are standing on other shoulders by using the business. Step up security. The old security systems are getting much older than now. Cloud is more safe now. So about 60% of the banking industry is computing has moved to the cloud. And rest of the 40% are thinking to move. So it is safe, step up security, that's safe for the business. And business and IT work better together. So as you can see, there's nine points that works for the business. So IT and business works together better. We can do anything easily, everything easily. 70% of the IT departments will be integrated in line to the business by 2017. Now we can see that how much the business and industries are getting on the clouds. Next, the companies example which are the cloud business. First up, the Google Drive. It was first introduced in 24th April 2012, just 4 years ago from now. It offers first 15 GB for free. But as my previous speaker said, and we also have the experience that it is some kind of addictive. After using that 15 GB, we cannot go without it. So we have to use more. And when it comes to using more, we can see that if we use more than 15 GB but less than 100 GB, we have to pay $2 per month. And in terms of 1 terabyte, we have to pay $10 per month. So this is very good for business. And some other points to look at: the easy to set up, great integration, safe attachment, 15 GB storage, and supports all kind of platforms using Windows, iOS, and etc. Thank you. Now Kaushik will take it from here.